So I'm going to show you this really, really beautiful braid today. I saw it on Samira's jewellery, I think on TikTok. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by just taking a section from the top. I'm going to place the hair into an elastic. And then we'll take another section of hair and do the same. I want this style to be quite neat and smoothed out, but you could definitely soften it if you wanted to. Mine's going to be quite tight today. Again, popping this hair into a ponytail. And again, we're going to place that out the way. And you're just going to keep doing this all the way to the nape of the neck. So you are left with ponytails like this. So I'm just going to cover up this top elastic here by just taking a small section and just wrapping it around. We're just aiming to just cover up that little elastic. Just using another elastic just to hold that into place. Just pushing that up, bringing that hair down so that's all covered now. And then you're going to take a section of hair up and out the way. I'm just going to clip this out of the way. You're going to come back to this ponytail, split it into two, and you're going to do a pull through braid, which is just splitting that into two. This one comes out of the way, and then these two sections get joined into this ponytail here. Release that back down, and then I'm just going to tease out the sides of these sections here to create a really nice kind of braid effect. So next ponytail down, you're going to do the same. You're going to take a small section. I'm just going to place that out the way for a minute. You're going to divide it into two. Next ponytail down comes up and out of the way. These two sections get joined into the next ponytail down. And again, we're going to come to these side bits. And we're just going to make a little bit of teasing out just to make that braid pop up. And then we're just going to continue this process all the way down the hair. Now these two sections haven't got a ponytail to connect to now, so all you'll do is just bring them together and pop an elastic in. Okay, so next you're left with these little sections of hair that we left out, and now you are going to braid and tease them out and pin them. Let me show you what I mean. So then I want you to take the tail of this and just start to wrap this hair around in a circle. Don't worry about this bit yet because it'll just keep on. If you just keep folding it in like that, it will eventually be tucked in. And then you're just going to take a little hairpin, hair grip, and just pin that into place. So we've got the nice sweeping bits from the side. I've chosen just to leave a few little bits out the front. And then from the back, you've got this really, really intricate braid. You can pull these out bigger if you want to. You can do alternate flowers so it doesn't take as long. That's the finished style. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll do another tutorial soon.